Hi guys! Guys! Saan ka punta? Where are you going, babes?
Manila!
Manila what? Manila what?
Ocean Park!
Manila Bay. Rugby, hello! Oh, sama ka, syempre. Apo. Hindi na po. Oh.
For 3 hours in this video.
Yeah. Pogi na do. Kay daddy. Kay daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, di kay daddy. Oh, yan. Hello. Hi. Babes. Hi.
Wow.
Auntie daddy.
Why does when you see the sun, why is the sun following us everywhere? In a driving car.
Go, Dad. Sagutin mo.
It's not following you everywhere. It's just too big that it's covering everywhere you go.
Tulog.
There, natakpan na.
Million pesos. Shucks.
Underneath is Pasig River.
Wow. Baby Saja.
We're close.
Manila, hello. Babes.
Hello. Hello.
Saan na tayo? Saan na tayo, babes?
Manila.
Manila.
So many rainbow houses.
Kabisera ng Pilipinas. Sino yan? Sino yan? Boys no?
Hello.
Oh, hello daw. Hello. Hi guys. Hi. Hello. Ito si Hello, call center agent.
Hello?
Hello, busy.
Para marinig mo yun.
Hello.
Toot, toot, toot. Sabi, toot.
Say Wawa. Hi Wawa. Oy!
Uy.
Maninira ka pa.
Kami na nga yun. No more. No more. No more.
So, get your phone.
Oo. Oh, hello. Ano sabi? Ano sabi?
That, you know. Hello.
Hello. Ano sabi? Asa si Daddy? Ay, nasa work. Ano gagawa niya sa work? O, call mo si Daddy. Daddy. Dad, go.
Balik niya na lang daw. Pamorot, ma'am.
Luneta. Go, go. Hi, babes. Hi, hello.
Oh, I see a moon.
Go, go, Bibs, go. Whoa!
Ba't pag nag-slide si Ribs, nakagaling yung isang
Oh, dyan.
Then we're gonna go there.
50 pesos lang, ma'am. Maganda mag-gabi. Para meron kayo naka-print lang. Dalawang kopya na yun, ma'am. Kwenta lang. Muna, bossing. Thank you.
I see a moon out there. I see a moon.
Ah, si Kuya, oh.
Explosion.
It's a,
Exploding water.
yeah. Oh, so strong. The puppy.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
That's sweet. Yeah, that's the Luneta.
Oh, yeah.
Statue.
Ow.
Look, let's watch.
The sea. I see a good one. It's green.
Saan yung moon? Saan?
Ayun, look, oh.
Saan?
It's pink.
Yeah,
Nasaan?
Pink, it's pink.
it's changing colors.
Nasaan yung moon?
Blue.
Ayun, ayun, yun.
Green.
Oh, ito. Oo, ito. Ito moon. Galing mo ah.
Apple.
Ito moon. Water. Ay, may color yung water. Saan yung umaapoy-apoy? Wala na.
Tapos na.
Ba't kaya kayo sir dun?
Anong hinihintay nila?
Wala.
Can we go there?
Ahem.
Ay,
Okay.
nasa yung ano? Ayun. Mga 6 p.m.
Oo. Kaya pala sila nakafoto.
6 p.m.
Yun pa, oh.
The water goes high up, look. Ang ganda, oh. Dad, palapitin mo sila doon. Doon lang, oh. Para makuha sila sa picture. Sa video. May ants? Shake it off.
Wow! Naabutan pa natin.
Daming ano, water. Daming water.
Can we take a picture?
Go there. Ay, nawala na. Ayan na, go, go.
Ang gag.
Madilim naman dito. Ang sinabi sa ano? Para bilya, tumatag. Maraming kasamang tao dito.
Babes, what's that? Yes.
Wala talaga. Mas maganda pa yung
Go, Bibes! Go! No, up, up, up! Yan, go! 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 Ay! Move forward! Ganun. Scared ka? Habol na, takbo!